Here's how you can write the number 3.625 as a fraction. And probably the best way to do it is to forget about the 3 for right now and get this 0.625 to be a fraction. So 0.625, how do we get that to be a fraction? We'll put the 3 back in later. Well, first off, let's just call it 0.625 over 1. We're just dividing by 1, but now we have the start of a fraction. If we could get this here, 0.625, to be a whole number, that'd make things a lot easier. So why don't we take and multiply this by 1,000? That'll give us a whole number. Let's move this over a bit. Because now 1,000 times 0.625 is 625. We have a whole number. But we can't just multiply the numerator by 1,000. We also need to multiply the denominator by 1,000. Because 1,000 over 1,000, that's just 1. So we don't change the actual value, just the way it's written. 1,000 times 1, that is 1,000. And now we have whole numbers. So 625, if we divide that by 25, we actually get 25. If we divide 1,000 by 25, we get 40. So we've almost simplified it, but we can make that even simpler. 5 goes into 25 5 times. 5 goes into 40 8 times. So 0.625, that equals 5/8. But remember, we had 3.625. So instead, what we'll do is we'll put the 3 here, and remember that 0.625, that's the 5/8. So we're going to call that 3 5/8. And if you write 3.625 as a fraction, you end up having 3 5/8. That is it. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.